Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, you get cruise control with the speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre petrol engine that gives you 165 horsepower. It's got the 6-speed automatic gearbox, done 12,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.